As we get ready to usher in a new year, doctors are warning of a triple threat of respiratory viruses. Flu rates are spiking to close out 2024.
Those cases have doubled in just the last 2 weeks, and Wiregrass physicians say this could be the start of it all, with colder weather coming in next month. It's a common sight for doctors this time of year. More and more patients getting sick with a respiratory virus. According to the CDC, cases of the flu, COVID-19, and RSV are on the rise, but it's influenza causing the most concern this winter.
Yeah, we've definitely seen an uptick in flu for sure. RSV is also trending up, but flu is the big one, especially last few weeks, especially with holiday break and everything.
In the week ending on December 21st, flu rates doubled in just 7 days, and with people visiting family and hosting holiday gatherings, those rates could grow even faster into the new year.
Really, the worst most of the time happens in January, early February. So we do anticipate that, and we ask everybody to be vigilant, especially over the next really 4 to 6 weeks, especially as the weather turns cooler, at least here.
And it's a trend we have seen quite frequently in the past. Before the pandemic and last year, flu rates have spiked in Alabama at the end of December, carrying through February. Doctors say the best way to keep yourself healthy is to be vaccinated.
Obviously, encouraging people to consider the vaccines. There are effective vaccines for all three, but obviously including flu. And while not foolproof, they definitely help prevent significant or severe disease and help prevent hospitalizations as well.
And with kids returning to school, being on top of their health should be a priority for parents.
Yeah, I think vaccines definitely help to prevent kiddos from getting really sick. Especially our kids with high medical complexity and common conditions such as asthma. Without the vaccine, especially kiddos like that, they can get pretty sick and it lasts for pretty long. The symptoms linger for sure.
Whether it's the flu, RSV, or COVID, it's important to make sure you treat your symptoms and visit your provider in case you have an underlying condition.
We see a lot where a small cough or cold, quote unquote, can change into pneumonia or change into a significant upper respiratory infection. So we always encourage, especially those with those chronic medical conditions, to seek care sooner rather than later, because we can guide kind of the treatment options, and it may be something simple, but the simple things help prevent the worst outcomes.
And talking with each doctor today, they say ahead of New Year's Eve and the colder winter months, being vaccinated remains the strongest way to prevent or manage a virus if you contract it. They also urge personal hygiene, like washing your hands and isolating yourself if you become sick.